Welcome to our computer class. I hope you are watching this YouTube videos and all. This is our upcoming test, which is scheduled on 6th September. I hope you have already watched this YouTube classes, and one of you has asked that should I be providing this question and answers. The PDF file which is already uploaded here, that is textbook PDF here for fill in the blank and all, it's already been there in the PDF file. If you have your textbook, you can mark it in your textbook. Look here, I'm going to show you. Look here, like this, it's been already marked. And reading out directly from here, it's like spoon feeding. So I'll be asking you question from the chapters that I have taught in YouTube channel. Make sure you watch those classes, and every student is compulsory. It's compulsory to appear this unit test, which is done at the end of every chapter. It's compulsory for all students to appear the test. I hope you will get 10 out of 10. It's a very easy question. I have asked all the questions from the classes which you have connected in YouTube class. Now we are going for our chapter number 4, that is giving life to your presentation. By the name itself, we can tell that we are going to deal with Microsoft PowerPoint. By the word presentation means we are going to do Microsoft PowerPoint. This one also I have uploaded the textbook in PDF form. If you have textbook, you can look it from there, and if you don't have also, you can check it out from here. Just click on that textbook like this and it will appear in your computer or this one, your computer or mobile. And how you are going to access this our Google Classroom in your computer. Make sure that you open your browser, that is Google Chrome, or it may be any browser. The most common one I'm going to tell you, Google Chrome. Open Google Classroom in the tab and make sure you sign in by using your email ID, the one which you have logged in into your classroom. Means if you have used your classroom with this email ID, this is the one which I am using, my email ID. So I'm logging in into my computer or browser with this ID. If you log in into your browser with this ID, then all your classroom will be available here in your browser in computer, and you can browse it easily into your computer, and you can access your files and YouTube classes, or this one PDF and all you can access from your computer. And if you want to stream it bigger, if you have a smart TV at home, you can connect your computer with your HDMI cable with the smart TV, and you can look at the bigger screen also. If you don't have these uh, facilities and all, don't worry, you're able to watch these videos and all from your smartphone. And for the lab, if you are having computer at home, then you can try all the things that we have connected in our classes. You can try it at home. If you have any problem, you can ask me. And if you don't have computer at home also, don't worry. After this pandemic is over, we are going to use this new computer lab, and you can access it there. You can access or you can practice it there. So let's go to our chapter, that is chapter number 4, giving life to your presentation. By the word itself, presentation, we can hear we are going to deal with MS PowerPoint. Here the office that they are using is Microsoft Office 2010. That's why its name is like Microsoft PowerPoint 10. They're using Office 2010, but here for demonstration I am going to use 2013 edition. That is Microsoft Office 2013. Look here, we have already learned about some basic concepts like changing themes, these color schemes and all in previous classes. Again, we are going to learn here again. We are going to learn about moving our content in MS Word, MS PowerPoint. So just a revision starting of MS PowerPoint. Start and you have to write the steps. Start and what we have to do to open MS PowerPoint. Start means start button. Insert a text box on a slide. We have already uh, learned a slide. In that slide, if I want to insert text box, how I'm going to insert it one. Adding image from a file, how we are going to do. You have to write a step. Inserting a new slide, you have to write a step. Copying a slide also, you have to write a step. This one I think we have already learned in previous classes and all. So now here the first point that we are going to start with is design templates. These are nothing, is a very easy that design templates are a pre-designed presentation slides which are prepared by Microsoft PowerPoint, and we are going to use that one for our presentation. Look here, PowerPoint 2010 offer a variety of preset stylish templates to design slides in a presentation. So they have given a pre-designed or pre-stylized templates which are already there in our PowerPoint, and we just need to select our choice and we are going to edit in that template. So how to choose that one and how we are going to do, we are going to see in figure 1.a. This one is a little bit different with the one which I'm going to show you. This is in Windows, not Windows, it's this one is in Microsoft Office 10. I have already told you it's a little bit different with 2013 edition. I'm going to open this 2013 edition. So this is 2013 edition Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. So these are the template, and I can search in online also. For searching online, you have your computer has to be connected with the internet. It may be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So look here, it's a little bit different. New sample template. So with the newer version, in nowadays, in if you buy a new laptop and all, new computer, this Office 2019 is giving them free for student edition. Like in student edition, it's lifetime free for that computer, particular computer, and they're giving PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, not MS Access. We are going to learn MS Access in class 8 and all, not now. So in that student edition also you can get this one. So here how we are going to use this template, the pre-designed one for our, let's see, this is the pre-designed form. Look here, this is welcome to the PowerPoint 2013 edition and different one, integral. If you are looking for a particular one, education, business style, diagram type, presentation charts and all, you can directly select from here. In 13 and in 10 it's a little bit different. For 13 I will show it you here. Presentation, if you click on presentation, it's not responding. Let's wait for a while. If we click on presentation, these are the presentation slide template sample. And if you are looking for education, these are education purpose. These are the slide templates which are found to be for education, back to school, business. If you are going to give a presentation on this one business related thing, you can select from business and all. Article layout and all. So like this, there are different types of topic. You can search from here with your related topic, the one which you are going to make a new one. So let's select, for now let's select from education or business one. So high school presentation, biography, educational presentation. So let me select book report presentation, science fair when you are in class 9, 10 or 8, you are going to have a science project, you know. In that one you can select this one and you can prepare for your science project. A science project presentation, let's select this one. This one is more. Create. It's downloading. I'm downloading it from internet. So my science project template has been downloaded from the internet. Look here, these are the all template required template which are already designed by our Microsoft, and just we need to do is we need to edit our template. Means if you don't like this picture, then you can put it your project picture out here in the background. Like that we need to just edit. In science project title you have to write your title here. Like that, this template is already pre-designed one. So what is this, how is it helpful in our presentation? Means from the basic thing I'm going to tell you something about the word. This you have already learned also. That's why I have skipped that part. It means presentation means, and slide I'm going to tell you. This is one slide and this is one slide. Slide means one screen which appears when we give our presentation to our customer or audience. Means in MS Word we used to type our document in a paper like document like A4 size or anything like in blank paper we used to type. Here also it's a little bit different. Presentation means you are here going to show it to your audience or customer about your topic or about maybe your project, or it may be a product. You are going to explain about that one, about the topic. You're going to explain to your customer or audience about your topic, or it may be a job, it may be a product. Describe about the product or describe about environmental changes and all. You're going to educate them or you're going to give the advertisement, and by using some pictures and all about the related topic, you're going to make them understand more clearly. Without giving presentation with this slideshow and all, make them understand more clearly than just by speaking. So main thing is, while speaking to our audience, it's better to use some pictures, pictograph things and pictures and all, to make them understand more clearly the one which you are explaining about the topic. So here itself. If we are going to do about a project, then you'll write here the name of the project, and it's better if you give that project picture out here. So if the teacher or any of the student or any of your friend, just by looking at the picture, they can understand that you are doing a project based on that picture. So that is the thing. This picture presentation and all makes the audience or customer more clear to understand the topic, the one which you are the one which you are going to make them understand. We are going to do that again, selecting a theme, go to file, new. After that, here you will see a different template. You can select it from here, or a particular one you can search it online, or you can search it by the title here, education, business, diagram, charts and all. If you are going to use the charts and all, you can select these templates. So here, from here, you are going to select the different templates with your choice. Which type of template did you want to use? Why we are using this one? If I want to select a blank one, I can select this blank presentation for giving or for preparing our presentation about our topic. So why we are using these templates? First one is, by using this template, the pre-designed one, our designing part will be in a shortcut way. Our designing part will be skipped. Automatically it will be a pre-designed one. So like that, the design part, if you select a blank template, then you are going to take for designing, color designing, and selecting this uh, font style, where to place the item, this and that. You're going to take much time about that, and the requirement, what are the things that are required to do the project or to do the about it. So let's select this one and see title layout. So you can select the dark theme also. You can select this one. So like this, with your choice, you can select your own. This is the one which I have selected for project. Welcome to Office 2013. Let's see this one, 2013 template. So by selecting this one, you can see what are the, we don't need this one. So what are the things about, you have to edit everything out here. You have to rename this with your name of the topic, like that. These are all pre-designed. The designing part will be skipped when you select template. This is the main thing. Time consumption will be lesser if you select a template. If you select a blank one, if you need more slide also, you can choose it from here, the layout, which one you want. uh, a title one, title with the content, selection of header, title only comparison, which one you want. You can select the layout also, and you can insert number of slides with your choice. So the main thing is, with by using this template, our time consumption in the designing part will be lesser, because it's already pre-designed one, and you can add the animation part and all later on. So now let's learn the next topic, that is customize the design template. After selecting the design template, here we are going to learn how to customize the design template. Here design templates are different with 2010, but after selection and all it's same. So they have selected a design with these flowers and all, photo album. You need to change the pictures only. This topic that we are going to do, customize the design template. After selecting the template, you are going to design with your own choice. Means in this designing, let me select a new one. Let's select the project, or it may be field trip also. When you go to a zoo, when we go for a zoo, then we can present it out here. Title you can name it here. Kangla, Kangla Gate, temple gates and all. You can edit directly from here also. Just click above here. Kangla trip, Kangla trip, Kangla trip Imphal. You can write here. Kangla trip Imphal, and here by you can write the name of the student here. By just give a name Tomba. Livestream Tomba. Like this you can. So these are all pre-designed one. If you want to change the pictures also, you can change with the Kangla picture, and design part is already done for you. Here we are going to learn how to customize this design template. After selecting, after selection of the picture, after selection of the, until and unless if you don't select the picture, then the format, the tool will not be available here to change the picture design and all. So after selecting the picture, when we add the Kangla picture here, then after selecting the picture, this picture tool will be there. In this format you can do the correction, remove background, like this. It will remove the background. If you don't want this one also, you can discard a change and you can keep the change. Let's see if we keep the changes. Now this will be the picture of our Kangla, or maybe whatever with your field trip. It removes the background of the picture. If you want to undo also, you can undo it. So like this, in this adjust group, these are called, after this going to tab, I have already told you that these are the groups. These are divided group. This is size group, this is arrange group, this is picture styles group, this is adjust group. So in this adjust group, you have already, this adjust group I have already explained in your textbook also. From this adjust group, you are going to adjust about the picture, the one which you have inserted in your presentation. You can adjust the background and correction of the picture, darkness, dim about the picture, and blurry about the picture, and you can change the color of the picture, maybe black and white. Look the changes out here. You can see color tone out here. You can see the changes out there in our document. And artistic effect, you can put the artistic effect from here also, like this. So with your choice you can select from here. So let's see what are the changes that we can do in this adjust group. First of all, let me do, before selecting changing this picture, look here, this picture we are going to change it. First let me add a picture. Insert picture, online picture. I don't have any Kangla picture in my laptop, or no, in my computer. So let me search Kangla in this search engine that is Bing. Okay, we have some Kangla pictures here. Let's select one picture, insert. Okay, let's select another one. Send back. So this is our presentation picture. We have added the Kangla picture. This is Kangla trip Imphal. Here, let me change this picture. Add a picture. This is for, I don't have picture, this one. Sorry, we couldn't add this one. Yeah, this is a license issue, that's why. Okay, we cannot add this one. But you can download this one from Google, or you can edit out here. Let's undo it. So here, with the picture, you can add here, and let's see what we can do with the adjust group. Removing the background. Let's see here the effect here in removing the background. This will remove our background, and this will be our, yes, keep it. You can give a background color here. Design. Solid fill. You can add a background picture like this. Solid fill, I have selected the gray color. How did I do that? I went to the design and changed the background color. So I have used this feature, that is remove background. It will remove automatically. You don't need to select while we do in Photoshop and all, crop that area. You don't need to do that, but it may be not up to that mark with your requirement. Up to some extent you can use that one. It will remove the background automatically. So after this one, correction, picture correction, there is lighting correction about the picture. So let me select this picture and do the correction. Look here, the changes made in the picture. Sharpness, here if I keep brightness is plus 40%, means the brightness which is already there in the picture, it added more 40%, and contrast minus 40%. Like that, this is the thing. This is the normal brightness 0% and contrast with 0%, the one which we are having right now. And with your choice you can select any of this brightness and contrast format. Sharpness and softness, look here, in softness it's a little bit blurry, the picture. In sharpness, look changes, the image is getting sharper 50% than that of your original one. So like this you can change the softness and sharpness of the image and brightness and contrast with your choice. You can choose any one of these. And next one is color. Color saturation about your, okay, color saturation about your picture, and color tone, yellowish color tone, bluish color tone. Recolor the picture. See, if you want to see more variant, set a transparent color, more variant option here. You can go and see the color difference. If you want more color option, if your choice is not here in the predefined color, that is theme color or standard color, you can choose from more color also again, and you can choose here with your, let's select this one, or maybe this one. Look here like this. You can select your own choice with your choice. So this color effect, not this one. Yes, yes. Recoloring the picture above that of your original one. You can use this one. And artistic effect, I'm going to undo this one. This doesn't look nice. Select your picture and maybe in artistic effect, in maybe in drawing form. Look here the changes. It may be in the drawing form, charcoal, like pencil drawing, maybe the different one. So you can add one of this artistic color here in our presentation. So what is the difference with this one? Means it will make the audience more interesting about looking your picture. I'm going to change everything with the artistic effect. I've changed with 3 different artistic effects. So like this, with the artistic effect you can change the picture and add the effect. With this artistic effect option you can change the transparency, style and scaling, and soft edges and all. There are different type of uh, features which are available, just the one which we used to do in paint or shapes in MS Word. You can change the shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges you have already know. Look here, soft edges, 3D format and all. This all you can apply it here in the picture also in artistic effect. go to that option, look artistic effect option, and you can do the changes. Compress picture. If your picture is very big in size, you want to compress it, then you can compress by using this compress picture option. Change picture. If you want to change this picture, you can search it from your computer, or you can search it online, or you can search from your OneDrive, that is cloud storage, which is provided by Microsoft. And reset picture, the one which you have already changed, you can reset it back again to the original position. The one which I have already added the artistic effect, I can change it to my original one. Reset. When I press this reset, it will change into the original one. So now we have learned about adjust group to change in the picture.